Click on the link below to get discount. The RealTruck UnderCover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, FX11019, is an impressive addition for any truck owner looking to enhance functionality while protecting their cargo. The robust design is a key selling point, constructed from durable materials that withstand harsh weather conditions and resist dents or scratches. The black textured finish not only gives it an attractive aesthetic but also blends seamlessly with various truck colors, enhancing the overall look of your vehicle. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, taking approximately 30 to 45 minutes without the need for drilling. The cover comes pre-assembled, providing clear instructions that make it accessible for both seasoned DIYers and novices alike. Once attached, it fits snugly and securely, showcasing a low-profile design that complements the truck's shape rather than detracting from it. One of the standout features is its versatility. The hard folding design allows for easy access to the truck bed. You can open it partially or fully, depending on your needs, which is perfect for hauling larger items. The cover can even be secured in an upright position, offering maximum flexibility when transporting oversized loads. Security is another significant advantage, as the UnderCover Flex includes a locking mechanism that protects your cargo from potential theft. This peace of mind is invaluable, particularly for those who frequently transport valuable tools or equipment. Additionally, the weather seals around the edges effectively keep out rain and debris, ensuring that your items remain dry and safe. While the price point is slightly higher than some competitors, the investment is justified by the quality and durability of the product. Overall, the RealTruck UnderCover Flex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, functional, and aesthetically pleasing cover that adds value to their truck while providing peace of mind and convenience.